Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about this generation here from year 2012 to year 2014. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where your transmission fuses are located. You may have up to 6 fuses. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located, where you can guys buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you do not waste your money, why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. We'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay in that generation Toyota Camry and every car we get at the garage. Why we do that? Because many of you will need that information sooner or later. Let's say you need a fuel pump guys fuse, or you need a steering angle sensor. Those will not be labeled correctly. You will have abbreviations that might say something like FI. You may not have an idea that's a fuel pump guys, or fuel injection system. So that's why we're making video for every single fuse, every single relay, to save you time and money. And if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, or if you need to find a fuse, all we have to do, spend a minute or two, watch the video, find out the fuse, instead of guys spending time to find it in the service manual, instead of guys wasting money, okay, and time on parts and tools you don't need. Another thing guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers guys, and we have more than 10,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. Another thing, let us show you something quick. You have guys some special fuses and relays. We're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you don't waste your money. You have those multi-block fuses, we'll put the link for them as well, for different fuses, for different relays, okay? All kinds of fuses and relays. If you need to buy some and not to waste your money, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out. So let's start on it now. So let's explain guys where you can find the transmission fuses. We'll demonstrate on a 2013 Toyota Camry right here. You guys have two different fuse boxes. We'll be checking 6 fuses. The first fuse box that we need is on the inside. If you come on the driver's side, look above the pedals on the left side. Go upside down there guys, look above the dash, you will see one white cover, and once you open that white cover you will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here guys, in this fuse box we need to check 3 fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box. The first fuse that we need to check is fuse number 1. This 10 amp fuse guys, right here, fuse number 1. Okay, that's easy. Then you need to check fuse number that's 19, then you go to 39, 14, 15, 16, that fuse number 16, 5 amp fuse. Check this one as well. After that guys, you will need to check fuse number 23. We're talking about this fuse right here, fuse number 23. Next, we need to go under the hood guys, and if you open the hood, that's your engine, car battery, that's the fuse box here. Open that cover and you will see that layout right there. This is towards the windshield side, this is towards the front of the Toyota Camry. Here guys, we'll need to check specifically 3 more fuses in that fuse box. The first one that we'll need to check is fuse number 13. We're talking about this 15 amp fuse right here, fuse number 13. Then you need to find fuse number 16, that 7.5 amp fuse right here, fuse number 16, and then you will need to find fuse number so that's 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. That fuse guys right here, fuse number 32, 7.5 amp fuse here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.